Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change drawing font color in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my drawing. I'll change the drawing color. First click on Tools option and select Comment option. Now click on this drawing. Now click right button. Here you will find this Properties option and here you will find this Color option. Now you can change a drawing color and see this. Also you can other colors choose this custom color and see this. Also I change this one. Here also showing this drawing color. Select here gear option and see. Also you can increase this thickness. Yeah, in this way you can change a drawing font color and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.